The labor shortage in farming isn't a future problem. It's a crisis happening right now. But while the workers are leaving the fields, a new generation of steel and silicon is clocking in. In 2026, the ghost in the machine has finally arrived. Today, we're looking at 5 AI-powered giants that are officially replacing human labor on the modern farm. First up, the John Deere 8R. This isn't just a tractor, it's a 40,000-pound robot. Equipped with 12 stereo cameras and a deep neural network, the 8R doesn't need a driver. It sees the world in pixels, classifying obstacles in less than 100 milliseconds. You don't drive this machine. You deploy it from your smartphone. It works 24 hours a day, through dust, rain, and darkness, doing the grueling tillage work that once required a team of operators. Next, meet the Carbon Robotics Laser Weeder. It's the most satisfying machine on this list. Using high-powered thermal lasers, it identifies and zaps weeds with millimeter precision, without ever touching the crop. No chemicals, no manual hoeing crews, just pure thermal energy. On a single onion farm, this machine can replace dozens of workers while keeping the soil organic and chemical-free. In the world of high-end viticulture, labor is the biggest expense. Enter TED by Naio Technologies. TED is a fully electric autonomous straddle robot designed specifically for vineyards. It navigates the tight, delicate rows of grapes using high-precision GPS, weeding and cultivating the soil with zero human intervention. It's quiet, it's carbon neutral, and it never gets tired of the slopes. Picking strawberries is one of the hardest jobs in agriculture. It requires speed, endurance, and an incredibly soft touch. Advanced Farms' TX robotic harvester has mastered all three. Using machine learning models trained on millions of images, its soft robotic grippers can detect ripeness and pluck the fruit without a single bruise. In an industry where fruit is often left to rot due to labor shortages, this machine is a literal lifesaver. Why use one massive plane when you can use a swarm? Hylio's crop spraying drones are changing the sky. A single operator can now command a fleet of these drones to divide a field and apply nutrients or protection with surgical accuracy. They can reach hilly terrain where tractors get stuck and fly over wet soil that would stop a human crew in its tracks. This is decentralized farming at its peak. We are witnessing the greatest shift in agriculture since the invention of the steam engine. As the technology scales, the question isn't if the farm will be autonomous, but how fast we can adapt. Which of these machines would you want on your land? Let us know in the comments below.